Tim Hallis writes, guitar building has become the flower book club of the 21st century. You have made a mockery of a skilled craftsman. So, with that in mind, let's see what I can do with these ukulele kits from Thomann. So Thomann have this kit building challenge going on. So I thought I'd join in. And they have a couple of ukulele kits cheap, so I thought, let's see what we can do. What's in the box then? Interesting pull tab. Inside the box were two very small boxes. These are both the DIY ukulele kits. They're really squishy boxes. Never experienced that before. Okay. In box number 1. Strings and hardware. Pre-fretted fretboard, and a neck. Interesting how half of it's got bounce marks on it, the other half doesn't. Oh, that's from the scarf joint. Comes out here. Okay, that's fine. We have a body. Which is, it is plywood. I thought it might be. That's fine. And 2 instruction books. Ah, 1 in German, 1 in English. Interesting. I'm going to open the other box. I presume it's exactly the same. Be right back. So both kits are identical in content, really. We have a body, we have a bridge, a saddle, a neck, a fretboard which is fretted, a nut, and a bag full of tuning bits and some dowels for sticking it together. The instructions are about as comprehensive as you need, really. There's some stuff about setting the action, stringing it up, gluing it together. Okay, just some notes about finishing, not to paint anywhere you're going to glue. Awesome. So what's it made out of? So the materials are, well, like it said basswood body, but that's not entirely true at all, because this is clearly some sort of plywood, as I was expecting. The neck is, it says basswood or basswood, however you want to say that. But it looks, doesn't look, I don't know, I've never been that close to it. It's very soft and easily dentable. And the fretboard is rosacer, which is, well, it says firmly treated maple on the website. And, oh, it's got binding around it. Now, I don't know if the binding's to... No. I was going to say, is the binding to hide that it's plywood, because I've seen that before on very cheap necks, but it's not. Looking at this end. No idea if that's going to focus. No. Anyway, that is genuine wood here. Just marvelling. Oh, that's a shame. There's a nick here in the fretboard. It's a 16 quid kit. I'm not going to argue with that, but that is disappointing. Okay. So I have 4 ideas, ranging from the more lunatic to the less lunatic. One of my first ideas is to do some sort of fabric top, being a ukulele. Did I say that right? I've got no idea now. It could do it with like some Hawaiian shirt or something. Hawaiian Christmas Star Wars shirt would be wicked. That's crazy idea number 1. Idea number 2. Idea number 2 would be some sort of epoxy resin type river type top, where I would either make a top and put it on top. I have no idea what it would do to the sound, but I'm sure it will still sound. Whether I'd prise the top off, it's free ply, very now thin stuff, so it might not survive or not. Some of my previous experiments with epoxy. So my first adventure in epoxy was this river. Let's get everything out of the way. So yeah, I do have an epoxy redemption project in me. This was my first attempt at epoxy where, yeah, that didn't really go to plan. Although the riverness looks quite cool. As in, the ripples where it dried unevenly and it shouldn't have done that. But anyway, my second attempt, a coaster using some of that bacon wood. I think I've since learned that I should have put something shiny in it with the purple powder to make it all the swirliness of awesomeness. Anyway, we learn. Number 3, I would create some sort of co-joined ukulele where I'd insert one into the other. 2 different pitches, although they'd both be sharing the same airspace. Would they? I don't know. Anyway, this one is just about narrow enough. No, it's too thick. I thought I could maybe cut a recess in here and just literally slide that one in, but that's not going to happen. Anyway, idea number 4, some sort of double neck ukulele. I said 4, didn't I? Idea actual number 4, discard these bodies entirely and make some sort of solid body, electric / maybe piezo driven acoustic with a hard body. There needs to be at least one hard body in this house. It's not me. Anyway, this is a very short video today. And I'm going to go away think some of those ideas. If anyone's got any crazy ideas or less crazy ideas that I might be able to do, give us a shout. Ta-ra.